We are. It is Sunday, just after the market is opened. You can see up here it's 3:50 p.m. on Sunday. Now this is Calgary time, so the market's been open for a little while now. Anyway, let's get caught up and see where we're up to. And I've got my 9 charts, arranged on the screen. So let's go through them one at a time and see where we're at. So British pound, Blues cross looking good. What's 1 day doing? 1 day's right at the white line here. We'd like to see that a little bit further down, so that's we're going to leave that one alone. This is the euro, and we can see here that there was a trigger that had executed while we were well, I guess it executed when the markets first opened. So let's have a quick look at that one. We've got an open trade, but our account history, there's the euro trade right there. Good. So that happened on the 12th. And what's the date today? The 12th. Great. So we've had 2 trades that have automatically closed out on us here since the market has opened, and we've made a quick sneaky, what's this here? $110, $350. So that one there is a nice trade. It's already triggered. So we kind of missed that one. The next trigger is definitely going to be white. So let's reset the template. Let's bring up our triggers in the toolbar, the navigators, and we're just going to drag the white chart on here. And let's put 2 lots in for that. Right there. We can put the stop loss a little bit smaller this time around. Let's make it 500, and we can take the profit a little bit bigger this time because it's a white trigger. Let's go. Okay, that's set and done. Great. What's the next one here? US Swiss. What's happening on this one? We've got a yellow trigger set. Now it's also getting deeper into the trend. Let's have a quick look at the 1 day chart. I mean, it's kind of peaking out. If 1 day, for instance, was to come back and sort of hit the green line here at this sort of time, that's going to be, yeah, I think would be safe with a white trigger on this. I'm going to reset that one. So we're going to reset that by simply replenishing the template, dragging the white trigger over. And white triggers, typically you can put a little bit bigger trades with a smaller, tighter stop loss on here, and a potential bigger take profit. Okay, so that one's set. Didn't take 2 seconds to do that one. What was that? The US Swiss. Let's get rid of our chart down here. No, that was the euro, wasn't it? No, that was the Swiss. Is that what we just did? Yeah, the Swiss. Here we go. Done. Alright, so the next one is the Canadian. What's happening here? Well, blues crossed white. It's hit yellow, so the next real target is going to be white. What's 1 day doing? 1 day is below the white line. 1 hour is above, so that's no good. So we can actually minimize that chart. We can minimize the British pound too, because that was no good. Okay, what's this one? Australian. Well, we just took a profit on that. Well, no, in fact, we're in this trade here. So we're going to leave that one alone. New Zealand, what's this one doing? Well, we've blue as well. It didn't quite cross white, but that was a good drop. It's done yellow. Next target is going to be a white trigger. Quick look at 1 day. 1 day is definitely below the white line. We've got a long-term trend going on. White trigger, here it is. And again, we're going to put a good 2-lot trade on this one. We're going to put 400 for the stop loss because it's a white trigger. So we don't need such a big stop loss on it. And we can potentially take a bit more profit out of that one. So we'll go okay. Done. Set. What else have we got? The yen trades, I think, are already set here for white, white, and white. So let's just go to minimize window, tile vertically. Looking good. We can just adjust these a little touch like we've done before. It's going to grab the corners and so on and so forth. Just gives it a little bit more real estate on your screen where you can actually see things happening. We don't need all that covered up. There we go. We can drag that one over to there. We can drag these ones over here. We don't need the numbers on the right hand side of the charts really. Drag that one over to there, and then finally drag this one over to here. And so we've got that one. Yeah, we can bring this one down a touch too, look. There you go. Done, 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 and done. Yes, on all the yen trades here, just a quick look. We've got white triggers set on that one. What have we got going on this one? White trigger set on that. That's still good. And what is going on this one? White trigger. That's looking good too. Done, done, done. Excellent. So we're chugging along with these. We've had some good trades going so far. Let's have a quick look at our account history. And if we pull it up since just the last few days here, well, you can see we've got quite a good history going, haven't we? This is from the, well, this one closed out on the 9th, but we've got 110, positive. Yeah, not too bad. We're chugging along. Overall, I think if we look at the charts here, we're up 3.8%. We've got a negative trade of 114, so the equity is 3.6% so far. We're doing good on our account with some very low risk, realistic trading going on here. So again, a couple of minutes, set the charts up. We'll come back tomorrow and do an update.